Okay, this is a video on the 580K case tractor, two-wheel drive. Let's see, has extend-a-hoe, which is very nice. Somebody took pretty good care of it because they did all the welding on the buckets for the wear. This is probably around mid-90s, right in that range. But you guys can, did you get the serial number? Serial number's in the pictures. You can look it up, find it if you're wanting to know the exact year. Has a very nice bucket on it. He's going to start it up, let us see how it operates. Sounds pretty good. The only thing we were noticing is the hydraulics are a little bit slow for some reason, but other than that, it works great. So if you've been looking for a backhoe for out of your ranch or vineyard or wherever, this is probably a good one for you. You're gonna work the backhoe for us. Obviously it's not gonna dig. Bucket that comes with it. There goes the extend the hoe part. Like the seat works good. Alright, and that's about the size of it on this backhoe. So there you go. He's going to take her down and park it, and that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. There he goes.